So the next step in this process is to go from this to this. And that's been accomplished by sanding the headlight with different grid sandpaper, progressing from as rough as 320, that's where I started, through 400, I think I had 400, 600, 800, and I got 1000, which is what that is. And I think this should do it. I think this should do it. So I'm done sanding the headlights. So the next step is coming up next. So the next step in this process is to mask whatever is not supposed to be painted. And here's the things that we need for this process. I have a clear coat with the hardener. I have a spray gun, stainers, some other small things, masking tape, some cleaner, some masking tape, film, paper, whatever is available. So here is one fog light that is ready for the final application of here is one fog light that I have already prepared. And now I move on to the headlights, and basically just repeat that process, just on a larger scale. So I'm going to clean up where the tape is supposed to stick, and now I'm going to shut up and just finish this. Really scratch my headlights. Mixing this 4:1 ratio. I wonder why. That should do it. all that is left to do is to remove masking tape and all the masking stuff and enjoy the results. Well, besides installing things back in place where they belong. So this is it. That's this is the final result. Looks pretty good to me. Well, it looks better compared to what it was. It's not perfect. This is the second one. Moving on to the headlight. I guess this is the fun part, when you can actually enjoy the result. So here's the result. Here's the other one. I think it looks okay. I would give it a B. It's not an A for sure, but a solid B. So now I can move on and take the headlights and install them where they belong. Is this the left side or is it the right side? I think this is the right hand side. Yeah, I don't have a proper setup, so it's kind of, I'm on my deck and making a bit of a mess here, but that's alright.